ready for an unforgettable experience. The thunderous roar of engines. The sharp crack of timber and the breathtaking sight of massive trees crashing down in seconds. This video takes logging to a whole new level. Don't miss it. A worker is cutting down a massive tree with a 4-foot diameter using a powerful handheld chainsaw with a reach of up to 50 meters. A man is splitting firewood using a homemade axe with a 3-foot long handle. The Woodpecker RP300, with a capacity of up to 5 tons of wood per day, is cutting long logs into compact pieces. The thunderous roar of a 2,120 horsepower engine echoes through the forest. Despite carrying tons of timber and navigating a muddy road, it keeps moving effortlessly. This is the Dinosaur Timberjack 11 and 10C, boasting an incredible 2,600 horsepower. It transports 22-foot long logs, weighing up to 3 tons, to the collection site. The Narva H60, a powerful hydraulic wood splitter with a processing capacity of 30 tons per day, rapidly breaks down large logs into firewood. With a high-power saw and a wide cutting aperture, logs 1.5 feet in diameter are quickly and precisely sawn into 12-meter-long planks. a handheld saw, workers skillfully transform large logs into long planks. Facing a 7-foot diameter tree, a worker wields a steel chainsaw to bring it down. The Dinosaur Timberjack 10,000 XT with 1,500 horsepower expertly cuts and sorts logs. A 10-year-old boy using just a small lever tool effortlessly removes a fence post. The Beast Valtra with 2,500 horsepower pulls the MTZ A20 out of thick mud as it heads toward the logging site. The 2,800 horsepower Malva 560F forwarder roars powerfully. Logs 25 feet long and weighing 500 kilograms are systematically loaded onto the vehicle. Watching the D2 and hook combo in action is like poetry in motion for anyone who loves machinery. The only thing that could improve it is having a helper to jump down and reposition the hook, letting you stay seated on the D2. That small change would make the entire process not just easier, but almost effortless. A 2,200 horsepower tracked vehicle transports tons of heavy logs from the site. The Widener L120, with a lifting capacity of 15 tons per grab, moves thousands of tons of wood per day. The Dinosaur Ecolog 594E, carrying 20 tons of freshly harvested timber, plows effortlessly through muddy terrain. Steam-powered sawmill with an output equivalent to 70 horsepower slices planks from a massive log nearly 2 meters in diameter.
We'll have to take the cycles out. Just spinning a little bit more.
Tractor with a trailer slowly makes its way through muddy roads, steadily transporting logs from the forest to the collection site. If that adrenaline rush left you wanting more, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell. We're constantly pushing the limits of what's possible, so stay tuned for more mind-blowing machinery and epic feats